In this video, we are going to be learning how to construct an auxiliary elevation of a rectangular solid block inclined at an angle. Okay, this is the solid block, rectangular solid block. You can see it is inclined at an angle. This one now, we are going to be drawing the rectangular solid block at an inclined angle of 45 degree, and this is the plan. Okay, you can see the angle of projection placed here. This alone tells us that we are to draw the auxiliary elevation, because we are going to be projecting from each of the edges of this of the plan. Okay, the first thing we have to deal with is drawing the given view, which is very easy to draw. Okay, so I will start straight away with the I will draw the elevation, then I can project down. So this is what I'm going to do now. From here, now I will draw this. Okay, then I will use my 45 degree set square at any point of choice. Okay, if I use this point, okay, or better still, I can draw a small perpendicular line. From that point, just draw the perpendicular up that way, then we project at 45 degree this way. I'm using the inner side of my set square as my reference point. Okay, then please come this to the other side this way. We have this. Okay, I will take the length here. We are given to be 25 2.5 on centimeter rule. 1 2. Okay, then we have this. Then next thing, I will have this place. Let me draw out this place first. We are giving this side to be 30. Okay, alright, then we can have this side to drawn out. This side too is 45, so adjust to this part. We have here, then this other part here. So we have this. Okay, then we have to draw the plan now. Then from the edges, project line down, come this way, just project line down. Okay, project this line down, come to the last one here, like this. Okay, there's a point edge here, there's an edge here. Okay, shift it to it, move it to it, then we can project this line. Then I'll use my ruler, drop the line further. Okay, drop the line further this way. Then have a considerable amount of space to separate the elevation from the plan. Okay, then I can pick this starting from here. Okay, and we are told that the length is 15. That's 15 at this other part as well. 15, then connect them together this way. All right, so looking at this now, you can let us highlight, draw the outline for the given view before we start solving the problem. You have this, you have this. Okay, for the plan now, you have this, you have this. Okay, I have this, I have this. Now looking from this top, you can see, we'll see this part here, so I will tick in this line. Then from here, from the part here, you can't see this, so we should know that this is a broken, we use a broken line here. Okay, so this completes the plan for the given question. Okay, so when you see a question like this, you know, it's quite different from some other ones, okay, that we've been taking. When you see a question like this, okay, we look for the best way we can easily remove complexity and make the auxiliary view of the drawing. Okay, the first thing I will be doing here now, let's take the level. Let's from here now draw a parallel line, I mean a side line to the elevation, a side line to the elevation this way. Okay, then from here we have this now. So if I call this point here 0, then from here move your T-square to it, you have this. So this is my level 1, then go to the other level here, move to it. So this is level 2. Okay, then come to the top. Okay, I hope you can see this. So we have this as level 3. Okay, now if I should transfer these numbers on the edges of this elevation, so here should give me 0. Okay, here is my 1. Okay, here is 3, and here is 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. So we transfer the same numbering to the plan. So here should give me 1, here should give me 0, then here 3, here 2. Okay, at the other side, the bottom of the plan here we have 1, here 0, here 3, and here 2. You can actually use any convenient letters or numbers of your choice. Okay, all you need to know is how to apply the principle, which is very vital. Okay, this is more or less like what you want to draw now. I hope you can see this. Okay, I have this like a rectangular solid block that is tilted this way. Okay, like this. So numbering the side now, this is my 0, as you can see there. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, the top part. Okay, now this is our plan. The plan, when you are viewing from the top, the whole of this, which is this. Okay, the whole of this, then this part. Okay, the whole of this part, and this the edges. Okay, so that is that. So this rectangular block now has some other parts behind that cannot be seen, which we are going to be representing on the auxiliary plane. One good thing about auxiliary drawing is that it helps us to show those parts that ordinarily we wouldn't have shown when we are drawing orthographic or isometric drawing. Okay, so now to this question now, we are told to project at angle 30 degrees. So I'm going to be projecting from the edges of each, from the edges of the plan, now at 30-degree angle, at 30-degree. Okay, so I'm going to place my set square this way. Okay, taking it to each of the edges. I'm making use of this line here, as my reference. Okay, so move it, start with this one here. You have to count to ensure that you are drawing everything, so it should be thin line. Move again, like this. So you have to count the edges. When I'm done now, I'm going to count it to be sure I'm not omitting anyone. Then I have to be checking to see that okay, I think I've drawn everything, but let me confirm. Okay, I've not drawn for these three. Okay, let's count. It has to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we are fine. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to be drawing a perpendicular line which will form my SX line. Okay, perpendicular line. You know what perpendicular line means? At 90-degree to this line here. So pick it like this. So I'm going to draw this. Okay, so this is my XX. This is my XX line. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to transfer these levels. I will transfer them here. Okay, I'll start with 0 to 1. This 0 to 1, like this. Come here, transfer here. Okay, then 0 to 2, like this. Come here, transfer here. Then 0 to 3, like this. Come here, transfer here. So when I number it, then 1, this is 2, this is 3. So this line, this XX line, I will transfer the line to each of these. Okay, that is very easy to do. You can do that in two ways. One, you can just take the perpendicular line just like you took for this, like that, or you place your set square with your ruler, just slide to get to the point of the line. So I'm going to use this. So at 90-degree. So you have this. Okay, then to 2, take it down to 2. You have this. Then to 3, the last one. You have this. Okay, so I can number this down to as 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I hope this is clear. So now this is the auxiliary plane. So I'm going to be transferring this now. Okay, I'm going to be transferring this to this, making use of the projection. I'm going to be making use of the projection, and you will see the reason why we number this, why we label the edges. Okay, for convenience. Okay, so that we'll be able to, it will be very easy for us to quickly get it. Okay, now let's take a look at it. Let me start. I can start with, for this rectangular block. Okay, it has both for the length and the breadth, this length and this breadth. Okay, the length and the breadth. So I can start with any one first. I can take the length first, then take the breadth, or you call it the height. Okay, anyone. So let's take the length, this length first, this side. Okay, now if I'm taking this side, you will see that for this one now, with this one coming this way, meeting one here, going like this. So whenever I get to 1 here, I will stop. So this is my 1. This one, take note of that. Okay, then look at 0 now. Next one is 0. Okay, 0 coming here, then go like that. Whenever I get to 0, I will stop. Okay, now look at this point place. What happened here? 0 to 1 are joined. 0 to 1, 0 is connected to 1. So let me just connect it straight away as I'm getting the point. Okay, I will join 0 to 1 like that. Okay, then the next thing now, go to the next one. Now you will see when we get to 3, follow the line, this is 3. Okay, this is point 3. Okay, and what happened from 3? You will see that this 3 is also connected to 1. That is this 1 here. Okay, this one is also connected to 3. Just like this 1 and 0 are connected, 1 and 3 are also connected. So from this one, it's also connected to 3. I hope you get that. So I'm going to join these together. This is my 3. Okay, so I'm going to connect that. So I'll connect that. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, I'm still working on the length. If I come to this side now, okay, if I come to this side, this one here, this one, if you follow it now, this is 1, where I have this one here. Okay, this one here, where it's meeting this, is connected to 0. Let's see, 1 connected to 0. Also for the down, what I have at the top here, I'm transferring down as well. So this is 0. Okay, all right, I'm just taking the parts that are visible for us with the length. Okay, you have this. Okay, let me check. Okay, yes, that is the 0. Okay, the same way. Okay, like what we have there, 1 also is connected to 3. 1 also is connected to 3. You can see 1 connected to 3. So when you go this way, where's our 3? This 3. This 3 and 3 on this plane. So this is 3. Okay, so what do we have? You take out that part. This way as well. Then you will see also that is 0. This 0 is also connected to 2. Okay, as we are walking forward, we are also taking it backwards. 0 is also connected to 2. Now if you trace this 0, go this way, this is 0. Okay, which is connected to this 2. I hope you can see it. This 0, this is 0 here, and this 2. Where's 2? This 2. Okay, 0 is connected to 2 also. So I'll come this way. Have that. Okay, then this 2 is also connected to 3. Okay, going back now, 2 is connected to 3. This is 3 here. Okay, so 2 is connected to 3. So we have this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, just like this now, we have the bottom of this. When you have it like this, okay, you have that bottom. So this now, let's go to the length now. Let's go to the breadth now. We'll come to the hidden part later now. Now if you look at this, 1 and 1 are connected. This one, okay, and this one is connected to 1. Okay, this which we are going to be seeing is just like the observer stand here at this point is viewing this at 30-degree angle. okay, is seeing this side and this side. Okay, so I will take out this. Okay, take out this. So the same thing is applicable to 3 to 3. This one here now, this 3 and this 3. Okay, the height or breadth, I will take it out like this. Okay, now the same thing with 0 to 0. I will take this out. Okay, now let's go to the hidden part. You know, if this has been, you know, I said auxiliary view or auxiliary drawing help us to see those parts that are ordinarily invisible when we are drawing an orthographic projection. Now, if this has been a rectangular prism or transparent block, okay, we are going to be seeing the back. We are going to be seeing the back, just like I numbered the back as well correspondingly, okay, but which we cannot see because it's opaque. Okay, if it were to be transparent, this one here, I'm still going to be seeing it if it is transparent. Okay, now we are going to be drawing, I will show us that now as soon as we are done. Now we are going to be drawing those parts that are not visible now. To the parts which are not visible now, you can see this. You can see if you are viewing from this side, we are seeing this, the whole of this. You can't see this part now. So 0, trace it like that. When I get to 0, I will stop. Okay, this 0 now, this is my 0, and a 0 is connected to 2, the length. Okay, go this way. When I get to 2, okay, when I get to 2, this is 2. This is 2 here. I hope you can see this 2 here. This is 2. Okay, on level 2. Okay, this is my 0. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be using broken line because it is at the back. It is at the back of the. It is at the back of the block, which is not visible. Okay, I hope you get that right. I hope we get that. Okay, now this is 2. This 0 to 2, and 0 to 2 is also connected to 3. That is, those one at the back, 0 to 2, then 2 to 3, they are connected, which is the same thing at the back, 0 to 2, then 2 to 3, which cannot be seen. Okay, the same thing is applicable. Now if you look at 2, this is 2, and this 2 is connected to this 3, okay, at the back. Then I will use broken line for that. Okay, you can see the block is getting to shape now. Then this part here, this part, this 2 vertically is connected to this 2, okay, at the back, because it's at the back, we can't see it, so we use broken line for it. Okay, you can see this is what we are going to be arriving at, okay, when we do it like this. So if this side now, if this side is 0, this 0 that we have, okay, let me show you something. Now if this side is 0, it means that we're having another 0 at the back. Okay, so this side, which is the 0 at the back, this one at the back here. So if this is 1, I'm having another 1 at the back, which is this. Okay, so if this is 2 now, I'm having another 2 at the back. Okay, you can see another 2 at the back. So if this is my 3, I'm having another 3 at the back. Okay, so you can see that those parts that are invisible, we've been able to draw it using using an auxiliary projection. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you.